Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this tutorial, we will explain how to use our vehicle lookup integration. Once you have logged into MechanicDesk, please navigate to the Settings tab, then to the Integrations tab. Then select Vehicle Lookup to the left of the screen. Please note that there are three options here. Car Jam is only available in New Zealand. My Car Check and UK Vehicle Data are only available in the UK, and our MechanicDesk Vehicle Lookup is available in Australia. If you are based in Australia, please select Start Integration here, then take a moment to have a look at our pricing, then Start Integration again in blue. There are three options in the drop-down here: Default, Advanced, and Redbook. Each option can have different lookup attributes. Please select one based on the attributes you require at the time. You can change options at any time. Set your monthly limit here, then tick Enabled and click Save. To show you how this function works, we will create a new job like so, by clicking on the plus icon at the top of the screen and then selecting a new job. Then select your customer as you generally would. Scroll down and you'll see the option to input a vehicle's rego like so. Input this number and select your state and then click Lookup. This will then auto-populate many of the other service items available for this vehicle. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the MechanicDesk support team.